Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create glass hole light effect in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool and create a long rectangular bar. Apply the black and white gradient to it, and angle to 0. Then, press Ctrl+J for layer via copy. Press Ctrl+T, and drag it to the right side. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T for duplicate copy. And repeat. Hold the Shift key, and select all these layers. Right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Save this file. Delete this layer. Now, create a solid color adjustment layer. Apply the black color to it. Go to the ellipse tool and create a circle. Change fill to none and stroke of any color of your choice. Set its stroke weight to 150. Add a gradient overlay to it. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the Filter menu, Blur and then Gaussian Blur. Use these settings. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E to make a merge copy. Go to the Filter menu and Filter Gallery. Select the glass filter. Load the texture, select the previously saved file and click on Open. Adjust its settings. Follow my text settings. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.